and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I've got 3 different items from Fansells to share with you today. Why am I starting with the bigger one? Oh, let's keep it up. I normally start with the smaller one so that I can move it out the way, but I've committed now, so let's start with the bigger one. This one isn't like a huge one, but it is bigger. So this is a 40 by 40, and it is an image that just caught my attention. So it has got a bit scrunched up in the packaging. However, this is poured glue. Very, very forgiving. I have ironed poured glue before, so if you have any canvases that maybe have come a little bit worse for wear, or maybe they've got a little bit worse for wear in your own storage, then you can iron them. You can also just flatten them down under books and they will flatten under time, or your mattress. I've heard a few people use their mattress, but yeah. Check out the website addmorezest.com. I have a video section. It's the easiest way to find that video. But this one is down as a 40 by 40. It is round, but the actual diamond painting area, it's quite small on this one. It is just short of 33 centimetres by, if I flatten it out, just again, well, that one's about 32.5 centimetres, so it is quite a bit shorter. It is 40 centimetres when you go from the cut edge on the outside, but it has got a bigger border. Nonetheless, it is still an absolutely gorgeous image. It has 24 different colours. It's just using letters in relation to the symbols, and the symbols are all really clear. I've got no problem with those. It does come with a toolkit, boat wax and pen, and this one actually comes in the little bags. So each little bag holds about 200 drills, and yeah, this one all comes in small little packet bags, but there is some gorgeous colours in there. So that's painting number 1. Let's move that to the top corner and let's go for painting number 2. This one is a 30 by 40, so it's only slightly smaller. This one comes with a basic toolkit as well, though the drills are different in this one. This one too is round, and it's just this gorgeous little puppy. Isn't he sweet? Looks like swimming in the ocean or in a pool. Cute little dog. So this has 20 colours. It is just short of 25 by just short of, well, probably about 35. So a little bit smaller border, more what we're used to. But just the look on his face is so sweet. These diamonds come in baggies, which is quite nice. So you get each of your bags for your diamonds. A little bit more muted colours than bright ones in this one, but there's definitely plenty of different shades of blue and brown to give you your swimming little friend having fun. And then, oh, I do have a rogue purple diamond. And then last but by no means least, I have an off the canvas item. Great little projects to maybe introduce people to diamond painting, to do with kids, or even just to do on your own because they're fun. Who needs children? This one is a set of key rings. So you do get your basic toolkit. You also get the ball chain and hook for your key rings as well. So you get that for one of each. And then these are the designs. So they're on like acrylic, but they are double-sided. So you will need to do one side and then you will need to do the other. They do have adhesive on both sides. Sometimes you just need to get hold of this clear cover that comes over the top with your nail, and then you can stick your diamonds on. They also have the little hole ready for the little ball chain, but these are like little hearts that are like oceans and beaches, so I thought these were really fun. Things like this are really cute if you just want to add something maybe as a little twist to Christmas gifts. So you can have the enjoyment of making the keychain and having the fun of actually popping the diamonds on and enjoying the craft. But then you could use these as gift tags, make them gift tags, add a little bit of spice to a present, or you could make them a present in themselves. Maybe you've got a friend group where you like to exchange just a little something. Things like these can be perfect. So I just thought they were different and they were really, really sweet. So get in them. So we do have standard diamonds. There is also a couple of different shaped ones, but we have silver. See how they sparkle? My new lights are certainly showing the sparkle in some of these diamonds. We've got a gorgeous sort of greeny, it's a green, but it has a little bit of a hint of turquoise, I'd say. It's a very greeny, turquoisey type colour. Then we do have some more that's blue. We have some browns and yellows to give us those beachy vibes. We have some true green. And then we have these gorgeous, larger turquoise ones. And some slightly smaller in red. And then the little teardrops in silver and in red. So there'll be some gorgeous colours coming out from this one to give you your little beach scenes. So you can see this is where some of the smaller ones go around the outside here. There's a couple on here, and then there's a few. This one's got quite a few. It looks like you make a little flower in there as well. The symbols for these are on the front of here. So this letter A is your letter A symbol on your keychain. But yeah, I will pop links to each of these down below. There are loads and loads of different keychains, etc. to look at. And there are gazillions of paintings. Considering I go onto Fansells' website very often, in the grand scheme of things, I am constantly finding new things to see. It's, you know, there is designs galore for you to choose from, so feel free to have a good old browse. But I will pop a link to each individual item down below in case you want one of these specifically, or you can just go and have a mooch, because why not? Let me know any really interesting ones you see, and as always, let me know if there are ones that you've seen that you want to see an unboxing of. By all means, feel free to drop me an email and let me know ones that you would love for me to unbox, and provided I can, I'll be happy to do that in a future unboxing video. But thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll speak to you all again soon.